Joined right now by Alex Jowdy from Remax Distinct Properties in Westwood. Alex, thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely, thanks for having me.
Now, we're in the winter months now, holidays right around the corner. How are you seeing the market adjust to what's going on right now?
So it's shifting a little bit. You're out of that heavy summer months. We're into this late fall, early winter. It's definitely slowing down a little bit. You're starting to see a little bit more of the contingent offers, home sale contingency offers being accepted. A lot more of that than we had, over that summer, and really that's something new for our market.
So just so people understand, when you say contingent, you're talking about people that need to sell to buy.
Right.
6 months ago, they would laugh at you if you walked in the door with an offer saying that you had to sell something to buy their house. That's now coming back into play.
Right. And the big thing is, those people are still having to pay a little bit more in order to have that kind of offer accepted. But the likelihood of their house selling on the back end is still really good. So the sellers are willing to accept that risk, knowing that we're still in a really strong, economy. The numbers overall in 2018 are still going to come out really good. We haven't really seen the drop off in terms of pricing. They've started to flatline a little bit, but the increase was there from 2017 to 2018. Days on market are still great. So all of that stuff is still really good for our market. Sellers are willing to take that risk to get that price.
And it's amazing how people have gotten so sensitive to prices going up and down, to rates. Yeah. We're in a healthy market right now. Absolutely. This is all good news for the real estate market. I mean, things can't go up 15, 20, 30% year after year, right? So the fact that contingent offers are coming back into play, should people be nervous? Absolutely not. It just goes to show you that we're coming back into a normal market.
Exactly. And, we still are in the seller's market. Overall, we're still in the seller's market. 35 to 40 days on the market is the average. That's still a seller's, the sweet spot still. We might see a little bit more of a slowdown in 2019, but overall, I think it's still going to be a great year.
I agree. You're in a really cool market over in that Westwood, Needham, Medfield area.
Yeah, we're lucky and fortunate. Yeah.
Yeah, you grew up there. That's a great place to live.
Absolutely. And each town has their kind of own downtown feeling and something that sets it apart from the rest. We have a good presence in Westwood and Medfield and Dover and Norden and Denham, that area. We're making inroads into the Needham area, which is an excellent market. And the great thing about like a Needham, and you have the great schools like a Westwood does, but it's that proximity to Boston that you get. You're 20 minutes closer to everything.
Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't live in that exact area, but yeah. I feel like Needham's kind of blown through the gates over the past year or so. I mean, it seems like it's really a hot spot to be.
Definitely. And it's probably been over the last 3 years that you've really seen that increase where, the average sale price is probably 15 to 20%, maybe even 20 to 25% higher than a Westwood area is.
And location-wise, you're just a little bit closer, a little bit more convenient to the city.
Right. So, you still have a phenomenal downtown in these other towns, but Needham is just that much bigger. They offer that much more. So you definitely have a big draw there. A
town like Medfield, a little bit farther away, but you get a little bit more bang for your buck. And like you said, a great downtown.
You have a great downtown. You get a lot more land, so you're not on top of each other as much. You're 15 to 20 minutes further from everything. But it's where I live and where I've raised my kids for the last 13 years or so, and we love it. It's a great town.
If someone's looking in that area and would like to connect with you and the team directly, what's the best way to do that?
So you can go to our website, distinctagents.com. You can contact us in the Westwood office anytime. We cover everything from Boston to all the way down to South Shore, out to Attleboro, all of that. But our main focus is that Westwood, Medfield, Dover, Norden area. So.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
And if you'd like to connect with Alex directly, remember you can check out link below to his website. Follow us at RE Talk Boston. Share with your friends, and we have more tips just like this right here on Boston.com.